Sing. Can I sing it one more time again? I'll sing. Go. Only you alone can quench this thirst. Thank you. All the pain is getting worse. Can I go now? You don't want me to go. Try your best just to make it sing. Woman thing. Come on. Tell her it's a case of emergency. And there's a letter by the name of Franklin. Can we let me sing it one more time? No. Only you alone can quench this thirst. One more time. My thirst. Oh, the pain is getting worse. I don't want to see you go. I need attendance from my nurse around the clock. There's no prescription for me. She's the one, my only remedy. New York City now, New York City now. Sing. Hold on. Come again. Only you alone can quench this thirst. I'm a singing up and I say that
You're welcome, you're watching Come Chat With Me, and we're backstage at the Rockabessa Bliss Festival.
Yeah.
Coco D's just shelled on the place. I can easily say already, you take the show already, because I've been here all day, and trust me, it's the best response from the crowd so far. How was the energy for you, Coco T?
Great. You don't know go Coco T and just bring the energy in the cars. Guess what happened? We love the thing like that, we love the music, we love the people, and we come to perform to the best of our ability, you know. Yeah man, so we love it, you know.
So where next, man? Where's the next show? Where next?
Well, after Europe for 1 month now.
Yeah.
Rotterdam Sunsplash, Reggae Jam, Reggae Wolf. We're doing one Reggae Gill in Belgium, and
nice,
1 month out there for right across Europe.
Nice,
Yeah
nice.
man. Yeah.
Coco T, it's always a pleasure, man. We can't, trust me, well done. You're the veteran, Ella, busy, trust me. My last words right now, well done. Thank you very much, man. Coco T, shell the place, right as I say. Come chat with me.